Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change text, order received title and order detail title in order received page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see order received title, order detail title. So we are going to change text. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it and then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see custom text, thank you, good luck. So this text show on order received title. So this is our page title, and then you see order detail text, and we are going to replace order detail text with your custom order detail text. So you can add text according to your requirement in both location. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order received page. Now refresh the page. Now you see board title replace thank you, and then you see your custom order detail text. So you can add text in custom code according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.